One more review I wanted to bring you guys tonight is a review of this. Kouros. Probably everyone's heard of it. Don't know how many people have smelled it, but one of the scents I brought you in my first haul video a few weeks back. And this is the full review video of Kouros by Yves and Laurent. Kouros, not to be confused with the original Kouros, which apparently smells totally different, was created by Annick Minardo in 2000. And on Fragrantica, it's classified as an oriental spicy fragrance, neither of which classification I really agree with, in my humble opinion. When I think of oriental perfumes, I think of spicy and sweet, and this definitely has a sweetness to it, but spiciness, not so much, not that I can tell. The spiciest thing in the ingredient list is the clary sage, I think, and sage I know as being sort of more of a green, sort of herbaceous smell, verdant, more than anything else. As soon as I spray it on my skin, I get that greenness, which is eucalyptus. I don't really get too much sage. It's a eucalyptus smell. Not harsh like eucalyptus oil. It's muted by maybe benzoin and a light, soft incense. I'm not too familiar with what benzoin smells like, but that might be the source of some of the sweetness. I heard that some people think it smells like vanilla, some people think it doesn't smell like vanilla. I had a tough time finding a sort of authoritative source on what benzoin smells like. A lot of reviews claim to find this smell excessively sweet, and there is definitely a sweetness there, but I am someone who doesn't like sweet scents. That's what really puts me off a lot of gourmands, and they make me gag. And I don't find this excessively sweet at all. It's sweet a little bit, but it doesn't turn my stomach like a lot of things that try to smell like cookies or baked goods or things like that. That makes me gag. The eucalyptus and the incense blend together to provide sort of a creamy greenness, I think, that pretty much characterizes the heart of what Kouros is all about. The incense is pretty interesting too. It's not the kind of incense you're used to finding in deep, rich, amber-heavy fragrances. It's almost fresh and light, and just with an ever so slightly smoky feel to it. There's a lot more, like you said, creamy sweetness to it than anything else. Usually you think incense and you think dark, rich, amouage-like fragrances. It's not like that. There's something light and summery about it. In fact, I think it would wear very well in hot weather. This is pretty linear on my skin. It doesn't go through a lot of phases. It doesn't progress too much. It sort of dies away much the way it goes on my skin, which is just like I described. Longevity and projection on my skin are average, and I think it's pretty versatile, both seasonally and situationally. I think it would do really well in warmer weather, at work, whatever, casual, whatever. Considering I like scents that are mostly heavy and spicy, I picked this out to possibly add to my things, to my sort of summer repertoire of things I would wear, my rotation, I guess. So I plan on getting a lot of use out of this during the next, few months. Maybe in South Texas, it'll eventually get below 80 degrees, maybe in December or something. So I have a few months to get some wear out of it, and I'll let you know how it progresses. Of course, I have just had it a few weeks and have mostly been smelling it out of the bottle and spraying it on my wrists more than anything else, but just to write the review. But I'll wear it. I'll let you know how it goes. If you like it, let me know how you like it. Or if you don't like it, let me know. This is Kouros by Yves Saint Laurent. Let me know what you think. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.